Hey everyone, welcome back to another subject. In this video, I'm going to show you that how you can resolve the issue. Issue is that your WhatsApp voice note is not sending and not playing to another one. So when you're just getting that voice note and you cannot play, so you're getting that issue. So how you can resolve that? Simply just follow the steps to fix your issue. So make sure that you just search the Google and check that is there any crash problem on the WhatsApp server right now or not. If you're not getting any problem on the server issue, so you just make sure all the settings I'm gonna tell that in this video and your problem gonna solve. Simply just go to the settings of your iPhone and have to make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection. If you don't have a Wi-Fi connection, simply just connect with your mobile data. If you don't have a mobile data, so make sure that you just arrange that. And after that, you just go to the general section and just update the latest iOS version in your iPhone, maybe iPad. And after that, scroll it down and just top and on the bottom and you see that there's an option of transfer reset iPhone. Just tap on that and just tap on reset and you reset the network settings from here. After that, you just go back and just go to the storage iPhone storages and just see that there's an option of WhatsApp. Just option I'm getting that problem in a WhatsApp business or maybe in WhatsApp. So just tap on that and just upload the app from here. And after that, you just go back and just go to the app store and just download the WhatsApp again. And if you find update of the WhatsApp, just update the latest of update of WhatsApp in your iPhone, maybe iPad, and just update it. And after all the settings, if your problem not gonna solve, simply just power up your iPhone and just gain on it. Before going to power up your iPhone, make sure that you just delete the WhatsApp and again download it after the power on. So that is the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more tech related videos.